This is a Kenmore made Frigidaire oven with the odd issue that we have not encountered before. Right now the oven's working 100% in test mode with the board facing down. It had a burnt out resistor with a value of 221 ohms. I replaced it with a resistor of 220 ohms since it was within tolerance. That is not just the issue. The primary issue with this was it had a burnt out hidden style bake element, the kind we have to remove the oven to change, as seen here. What we have here is 3 relays which control bake, broil, and convection, 1 relay which controls line 2, and then obviously the operating relays. As you can hear, when you put the oven back in position, the relay shut off. Now power to this board is provided by line 1 at this point, line 2 at this point, again line 1 and line 2 at this connector here, and these 5 relays which control your DC voltage. This primary relay here and these 3 secondary relays I think are where the problem are at, because we see the sparking inside of them. You probably won't be able to see it with the flash on. I've never seen this problem before. Diagnosis at this point would say to replace the board, but since the customer already bought a hidden style bake element, which we know are not cheap, I did not want to have to claim the board to be replaced too, so it must be repairable. So I'm submitting this video to Electrolux so that we can see exactly what could cause this problem, because I've never seen nothing like this before. I mean, what would make a unit work and then not work, not work, not work? Is it the tension on the wires? No, because we relieve the tension, the problem's still there. Is it gravity? Possibly. That would show to a bad relay. It is live right now. We have the elements plugged out so that way we won't get too much heat. We know all 3 elements work now. Wattage values are in range. This right here is our line 2 relay. It cuts out, as well as all 3 line 1 relays cut out when the board is lifted up in the parallel position. When it's down in perpendicular position for testing, it works. So when I tested it, it shows 100% working. Put it back together, the customer tries, it doesn't work. Obviously we have a problem with the relay board. So what I'm trying to get at is what can cause this particular problem with this board. The boards are part number 316462811 Frigidaire, and this is Kenmore oven. Don't even bother with the model number, because unless you work for Sears, you can't look it up. Further testing, we tried wedging, we tried separating the board, we tried changing resistor. I guess next test will be to jump the oven and see how it works with the bypassed relay.